Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a Shein try-on haul. So you guys know I love finding hidden gems from Shein, and recently I've been wanting to branch out a little bit in terms of like some funner pieces, especially for the holidays, and check out more of their shoes. So let's start with shoes and accessories. Everything that I do mention will be linked down below, as well as the sizes that I chose, as well as my general measurements if you like the way something fits or trying to decide. I am so big on knowing the sizes of things because I can see what you look like and I want to know how that specific size fits on you if I want to achieve that same look or if I want to go smaller. So hope that helps. It'll all be linked in the description box down below. Let's start with shoes and let's start with these. Okay, so slingbacks are huge right now and I feel like pointed toes are really making a comeback. I'm not normally a heel girl, to be honest with you, but I feel like slingbacks are easier and can almost be a little less, like a little more casual because they've got like the exposed heel. I don't know how to explain it, but these are so cute. And because I'm not somebody who wears a ton of shoes, I don't like really feel the need to invest in a lot of like really expensive shoes. If I can get the achieved desired look, then I'm gonna go for it. And these seriously surprised me. I really enjoy the finish on these. They have good padding and they fit true to size for me. I don't love this big of a square of a heel because sometimes my pants get stuck on it, but again, it's not like a deal breaker for me to like not wear them. I feel like colored heels are having a moment again, or colored shoes, whereas colored shoes I feel like were not a thing for the last couple of years. They were really big when I was in college. I remember just wearing like statement heels, like statement colored heels and stuff. So I feel like they're coming back, but they're not a forever thing. But these red ones I think are stunning, perfect for the holidays or perfect just to add a little pop to whatever color or outfit you're wearing. I'm obsessed. I think these are so cute and such a good like price if you're just wanting to dip your toes into slingbacks or heels or red. I think I'm gonna actually wear these a ton. So stinking cute. Obviously not like day to day, more of like a going out or something like that outfit. Next pair are another pair of slingbacks. These though, I feel like I could go a size smaller. I have my little like, there's hair in here. I have my little toe pads in there, but it almost feels like it's just quite not enough. These are gorgeous. Look at these little like bedazzled, but they're black, so I feel like they're monochrome and they don't like, they're not so in your face like holiday. They're so pretty. They're so cute. I love them. But they don't have like a bungee here, so I feel like you could size down if you have pretty narrow feet or small feet. Yeah, I would say I would need these in a 37. So I would size down one size or a half size if they have it. A half size would be fine. Like I said, the toe pad works, but it's also not like, I don't know how stretched out this will get because it doesn't have elastic. Like these have elastic, so I feel like it fits a little bit more secure. But I love these, and I love the idea of wearing these with jeans, which I showed a ton in my try on. I'm obsessed. These, unfortunately, I really wanted to like, but I just don't understand how to do it. So I wanted like a square pointed toe ballet flat. These literally look like point shoes in my opinion. They're so cute, but it's got this like thing, and there's like these little hooks, but I mean, I get it, but I don't. Like, I just can't get it to sit, like mine needs to sit like this, lower on my foot because my foot is small. They're really stinking cute and I really like them, but I just don't understand them. I don't understand this part. I guess if I really wanted to, I could like super glue it, but I can't because then I wouldn't be able to slide my foot in. So these just kind of are a mess, but they're gorgeous. This brown chocolatey velvet color. I wanted to love these so much, but I don't get the foot thing. Moving on to accessories, I have these little bow earrings. I've been seeing these literally everywhere, and these were like $1, I think. They're so cute. I love them for the holidays, but I also just think they work like all year round. I also got some more velvet stuff. Nothing screams velvet or holidays like velvet to me. I love this little like burgundy wine colored velvet headband. It's not too thick and in your face, but it adds a nice little pop to your hair. And then this little velvet bow, I liked the idea that it was attached to a pony. I think that's really easy and cute. You could do a low bun or you could do like a half up, which is how I wore it. But it's super cute and I love it. Nice quality, honestly. Very cute. Big bow, big old bow. So love that. All right, let's move on to tops and bottoms. So again, my theme was really holiday and very classic, but a little bit chic and out there. So you'll see what I mean. Let's start with first this guy, which is honestly my favorite thing ever, and I think they have a cream color and I'm contemplating getting it. This looks so much more expensive than it is. Like, look at these buttons. They're metal. I think they're metal. No, they're not metal, they're plastic, but they look metal. This is literally the perfect crop, perfect snugness, perfect fit. I can still tuck it into my jeans. I literally love this sweater. It's very staticky right now, but I love this. I think it's so cute with a pair of jeans. Unbuttoned, you could definitely do it. I like the whole buttons except for like just the top two. But this is honestly the best little standard basic cardigan. I think you would get so much wear out of this. And I think they have a cream color as well, so I'd be curious to check that out because I am in love with that. Next, I got this plain gray, like, light heathered one. I have a lot of darker heathered sweaters that are gray, but I don't have like a lighter one, so I really liked this one. It's not itchy, but it's not like overly soft. I absolutely love it though. I think it can be worn casually with sweatpants. I think it can be dressed up with a skirt or jeans, whatever. I think it's so cute and it's the perfect amount of oversized. Again, I will leave all my sizes down below. This next piece, I've always been like a Peter Pan collar girl, like always, but I feel like it's really coming back again, or maybe it's just I found a lot of stuff that have it and I really enjoy it. I like it because I feel like it can be very classy but styled the right way with like dark denim and heels and like, I don't know, classic look. Can look very like chic and not like you look like a tablecloth slash pirate slash Peter Pan. I love the eyelet detail. This is honestly a very nice shirt. I love the eyelet detailing paneling on top. The sleeves have this extra added little, like, the detail on the shirt is phenomenal. One thing I will say is you're gonna want starch and iron. I just steamed this and you can just tell it has like wrinkles in it. It wrinkles pretty easily. So iron with steam, I mean iron with starch and it'll be your best friend, but this is perfect. I love this so much and yeah, it's really, really cute. And I think it just elevates like a basic white button down. And again, buttoned all the way up, tucked into some jeans with some cute heels. And I just feel like it's a really good like night out, not night out. Not like saying you should wear this to the club, but meaning like a nice dinner, drinks sort of thing. I think it's very sophisticated and different, but so cute, so cute. Okay, this next piece, I have been seeing it a lot and I was like, that could either be horrible or it could be cute. I sized way up in this. I think I got this in a large. This is a cross, like a side button shirt. And I'm still kind of on the fence about it, but I actually really like it. I love button-ups, you guys know, so I thought this detail was kind of fun. And yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below of how I styled it. Do you think it's cute? I'm leaning towards yes, but I think I need to style it a couple more ways to see because I feel like it can look pretty businessy because it's like, I don't know. But I feel like if you open the buttons up enough, it could look very chic. Very sophisticated, and I think it's cute. So, love it, love the light blue. The actual like quality of the material is good. I just don't know if I love this style. So I'm gonna have to try it a couple times and see, but if you have some chest coconuts, go ahead and size the heck up because I feel like it's kind of tight. Next thing, this kind of just was a fail for me, honestly. I thought this could be a really cute, like nice top and jeans outfit. But I feel like it just kind of missed the mark for me. It's still cute, it's just not gonna stay with me. Again, it has this fun, fluttery sort of sleeve, these like 70s sleeves. The buttons are okay, they're plastic, little like silver, I think supposed to be like roses. And it's got a lot of ruche detailing. It has potential, but it's just not, I didn't think it was like the most flattering on my body type or really did much for me. So I'm not gonna keep it, but they have a bunch of other colors too if you feel like it'd be something that you would like. I feel like I can't button all the way up to the top, but when I button it out, one more button down, I don't know. I just feel like it wasn't doing what it needed to do, so it's going back. This also, I don't think it did what it needed to do. If you're a girl who doesn't need to wear a bra, then this top might work for you. I'm somebody who needs a bra. I mean, even boob tape. I guess I could wear boob tape with it. I could wear boob tape with it, but I think that I like the other Peter Pan top a bit more. Can you tell a trend? I like Peter Pan tops. This collar is just very big and in your face. Kind of looks like a doily over your top with big old poofy sleeves. The tie details on the sleeves are really cute though. I really enjoy that. And then it's got the 2 ties down the chest. Again, it's cute. I don't know if it's cute enough where I would go through the like hassle of wearing boob tape, if that makes sense. I didn't feel like secure enough wearing no bra. So for that reason, I'm just like not gonna keep it because I'd wear the other peplum top way more. So it's super cute. Again, if you don't need to wear a bra or you like it enough to commit to wearing boob tape, then go for it, girl. It's so stinking cute. All right, we have one more Peter Pan top. I have a problem, I can't be stopped. This is so cute though. I love the black piping. This is stunning. It has little poof sleeves. I love this so much, you guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, it's got buttons. This one's a bit more cropped than the first one, so it like kind of can't be tucked in, but even if it's not tucked in, it's kind of got that big, like, I don't know. It's stunning. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys. I love Peter Pan tops, okay? If you can't tell. Elasticy, like, wristband here. It's not elasticy, but it looks kind of elasticy. So it gives you that like poof full sleeve. But I think this is adorable, and this would be really cute to wear to the office too with black slacks or something, or a black skirt. I think I showed it with the black skirt. Adorable. Yes, totally keeping that. Okay, if you guys have watched my recent Abercrombie hauls, I've been trying the dang menswear skirt over and over and over again, expecting a different result. I even tried it in a medium to see if it would be longer. It's just not long enough for me, and I wish they carried like the tall version and I would have gotten that, but it's just too short for me. I didn't feel comfortable in it. It's a skirt. So I ran my little booty over to Shein. I will say I needed 2 sizes down in this. I'm still gonna keep it. It's not like a deal breaker, but I think I got these in a large. Yes, I got these in a large. I could have done like a medium. But these are the perfect length. They're not too short on me. They are a skirt, so they have these little silky shorts underneath. Cute little slit on the waist or on the leg, but these are perfect. I love these. These hit me so nicely. They've got a very structured feel. These would be cute for the office, and I don't think they're too short for the office, especially if you throw on tights. I paired it with boots, or you could definitely play it with heels or sneakers. Honestly, adorable if you're looking for a workwear skirt that's also not like $80. No, I think the Abercrombie one's like $60, but you're just needing something longer to feel more comfortable and a little more A-line versus like tight. I definitely recommend checking that out. It's a way to take on that like menswear mini skirt look without being like exposed. And then I also got it in a navy color. I believe this is a different style though. But I got this in a large, and I loved that paired with like the red heels and this gray sweater. I thought it was so cute. Again, perfect workwear piece, but also can be worn really cute and chic with some high boots or heels or whatever, and I love it. All right, and then last little bottom here, I got these little shorts. I love these so much. I know it's kind of impractical because it's cold, but we have had some warm days, and also just kicking around the house, I love these little pajama shorts. I have pajama pants that I really like, and I liked these. These also have pockets too, which is really rare for Shein, I feel like. So I love these. I think I got this again in a large. I get pretty much everything in a large because I don't like it to be too tight. I'd rather it be loose. You always can like, it doesn't like fall off me loose. It's like the perfect thing. And I really like this like blue and white stripe. So I would definitely get more of those. I think they're really cute. Like layered with denim, and I just think they're really cute. And then last but not least, this jacket, which was honestly a fail. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. It's just like, it looks really cute, but it's just like the thinnest thinny material, and it sounds like that, but would not do anything for you. I love this dark chocolate brown though, which is why I was like intrigued by it. But unfortunately it just kind of missed the mark with the quality of it. So I would steer clear away from that. But yeah, that's my thoughts on that. I am curious to try out more of their jackets because I do really love a green jacket that I got from them. So I am curious to try to find some trenches and stuff. I just find that their prices are on the higher end, whereas I can find brands that have a little bit higher quality on sale, and I'd rather just pay a little bit extra and get there. But there are so many good things that you can find from Shein. You don't have to spend $100 on a shirt to look classic and chic. Like I just showed you so many pieces that are like staples that are very classic, chic, and can be worn a couple different ways with jeans or worn to the office. I think business casual is very in right now. So yeah, I want to share with you what I picked up, and honestly the only things that are going back are I think that blue top and the brown jacket. Everything else staying with me. Oh, I think I'm gonna get the smaller size of those shoes as well. I'm gonna look and see if they have a 37 because they're perfect. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. So that is going to wrap up today's video. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and drop a comment down below of what piece you really liked, or if there's anything that you're thinking about picking up, or if you like that blue button side thing. Is that a keep, a miss? You let me know. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.